Hey there, I wanted to do a quick tutorial with you today on how to do a graphite transfer using a regular pencil or I have a no wood graphite pencil here. Okay, so a graphite transfer, what you need is your canvas. This works on a blank canvas, or you can have a canvas that's already painted and you just want to add an image to it as well. So this is great if you've drawn something, or if you've purchased, or maybe you found it for free, an image online and you want to add it to your canvas. So there's my little image that I'm going to be working with today. Okay, so what you do is you flip it over, and on the back side you use your graphite. You can use the pencil as well. I'm going to use this. And you shade in where your image is, especially if you can see it, the outline, which is where we're going to be, what we want to transfer. So we'll go ahead and color in, shade in with graphite, this whole image here. Okay, once we've done that, we're going to take the graphite, put it graphite side down onto the canvas where we want it. I'm just going to put it here in this corner. Okay, and with my pencil, I'm going to draw on top and press. So I'm going to press the outline of this little leaf first, and the stem, and whatever else, and I'll just give you a sneak peek. Here it is transferring the graphite. Whoops, now I've moved it. Okay, just gonna put that there, and then you draw out the rest. And there it is, ready to be painted. Okay, so you can do this many times. You can use the same paper. For example, you could even use it just as is, or I would just shade it in just a little bit more just to give it some more fresh graphite, and continue to do that. And that's basically it. It's easy peasy, something you can do at home, because most of us have a pencil laying around in our art boxes or cases. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like and subscribe.